name is Travis Kimball, co-founder of Quack Car Wash. We're here in beautiful Fairfield, California to kick off our grand opening of our newest location. We've got 40 locations here in Northern California. This one's located in Fairfield off of Travis Boulevard exit on Holiday Lane. You can't miss it. Look for the big yellow duck and come visit us. Remember, don't drive dirty.
With the Fairfield Sassoon Chamber of Commerce. I want to thank you guys for coming out today, and I want to welcome Quack Car Wash to Fairfield.
My favorite things that we do as a company is that we select a family in the area of our car washes to do a fundraiser for. So last night the cars came in and they donated, and today we were able to present a check to the Velasquez family for $3,500.
This is the Velasquez family, and I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for the donations and the support that you guys are giving us. This is going to help us get back on our feet. We just got an apartment, and all of this is going to help us buy our furniture, and I want to thank Quack Car Wash for all the support, mostly for my kids, that they mean everything for me, and I mean, it's a new beginning.